Hey there, I'm Jay West with AirAdvice for Homes. Got a monitor that needs a tune-up or maybe a fix? Stick with me, and in the next couple of minutes, I'll show you how to whip up an RMA, a return merchandise authorization, so your monitor comes back crisp and clean and calibrated. Turnaround is about a week. Once we get your monitor, repairs can take a tad longer, so plan ahead. If you're shipping from Canada, value it at under $10 and label it warranty repair. Oh, and make sure your subscription is paid up so that we can ship it back to you on time. First thing you need to do is just log in. So hop into the Contractor Portal with your username and password. This is a QR code to get there if you want to go right now. If you need more information about how to do that, let us know. Next thing you have to do is just start the request. Hit the Monitors tab once you're inside the Contractor Portal, then choose New Service Request, and bam, your RMA is started. Now let's pick your monitors. The system auto-checks anything due for calibration. So if you want to add more, just click the boxes. One RMA covers them all. If you see a nasty red sensor alert, definitely include that unit as well. You can find the number of reports generated since the last calibration here. Hold back from sending in any monitor with less than 25 reports. Now just add some notes. Tell us what's wrong. Do you have a cracked screen? Are there odd noises or anything? Do you need a formaldehyde sensor? Tick that box, and for a one-time fee of $295, you'll have it. Maybe you want to switch from AT&T to Verizon. Just say the word. More details equals a faster fix. Step number 5 is just submit and check your email. Scroll down and smash that submit button. Your shiny new RMA pops into service request history. You can peek at your email for shipping directions and your RMA number, and you're good to go. Just pack it up. Grab a sturdy box. The USPS boxes work great, but make sure that you cushion your monitor with its case or bubble wrap. Don't use shredded paper. That stuff gets everywhere. Include the power cord so we can test that too. Write the RMA number big and bold on that box. And that's it. Follow these steps and your monitor will be back to you before you can finish your next cup of coffee. Thanks for watching. See you next time for more AirAdvice Pro Tips.